I've been working on building a more natural home, and that includes my pets too. So I had this lavender spray that I used to relax at night. My dog was stressed due to a long trip in the car. I sprayed just a tiny bit on my hands and rubbed it on her back, and within minutes she settled right down. And that's when I thought, I need to make one that's specifically safe for my dog. Safety first. Now, before we go any further, we need to talk about safety. Dogs are much more sensitive to essential oils than we are. So the most important rule is, less is more. Never use strong essential oil blends made for humans directly on your dog. Always dilute, and always test a small area first. How to make it. You only need a few simple ingredients. 1 cup distilled water, 1 tablespoon witch hazel or apple cider vinegar, 1 to 2 drops of lavender essential oil. Only 1 to 2 drops. It may not seem like much, but it goes a long way. That's enough for your dog. This takes less than 1 minute to make. Add distilled water to a glass spray bottle. Add your witch hazel or apple cider vinegar. Add 1 to 2 drops of lavender. Shake well before every use. Essential oils and water separate, so always shake it each time you use it. Tip: for extra flea-repelling boost, optional. You can also add 1 drop of cedarwood essential oil. Cedarwood is one of the safest for flea deterrents in dogs, but keep total oil drops at 2 to 3 max per cup. Lavender and cedar may help deter fleas, but this is not a treatment if your dog already has a flea infestation. It works best as part of a natural routine. How to use it? Here's the safest way to use it. Instead of spraying directly on your dog, spray it onto your hands or onto a brush. Then gently apply along the back and sides. Avoid the face, ears, and private areas. You can also spray this on bedding, blankets, or a bandana for a calming effect. It works best as part of a natural routine. How often to use? For calming, 1 to 2 times a day as needed. For flea support, every 1 to 2 days. This is supportive, not a full flea treatment if fleas are already established. Watch your dog's reaction. Every dog is different. If your dog starts sneezing, pawing at the nose, drooling, does not feel well or gets restlessness, or tries to get away, stop using it. It might be too strong for them. You can dilute the mixture even more. If diluting does not work, stop using it altogether. How to remove essential oils. If these reactions happen, be sure to stop using it. Wipe the dog down with clean, warm water. Clean, warm water is the first and safest thing to use if you ever want to remove an essential oil mixture from your dog. Most mild diluted sprays can be removed with just warm water. Cats. Word of caution. This lavender spray is for dogs only. Essential oils can be unsafe for cats. Always consult your veterinarian before using essential oils around pets. Here is a recap. So here's the simple version. Use only 1 to 2 drops of lavender. Always dilute. Apply with hands or brush. Avoid the face. Test skin first. Use for calming and gentle flea support. For calming, 1 to 2 times a day as needed. For flea support, every 1 or 2 days. I love finding simple, natural ways to care for the animals in our lives. They trust us completely, and they deserve the best. If you enjoyed this, let me know. I can share more of our natural pet care routines. Sammy says, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a thing, and we will see you in the next video.